Here we go, honey. Here we go, honey. Oh! This is the super fast part, honey. We've never been on this part. This is where it goes super fast.
Is that Thunder?
Not Thunder, honey. That's the ride that you have to be 5 to go on. It's a loud ride.
It's a wild.
No, loud. It's very loud. And you have to be 5.
That is coming really fast. To the handle of yours. And let me go. Let me go.
Are you tired?
No.
No. Okay.
Are you?
A little bit.
No, you're not.
Okay, well, then I won't be tired then.
If you're not, I need to stay awake.
Okay, I'm going to stay awake.